Hey guys, Sam Wilson here. I am the owner of the Locksmith Agency and 1-800-UNLOCKS. And today I'm here to introduce you to something that we've been working on very hard over the past year, and that is our brand new agency dashboard. So what does that mean for you guys? Why should you guys care about that? Well, we've designed the dashboard to be a place to help you guys make more money. And what that means is not only does the Locksmith Agency provide digital marketing and website services for locksmiths all over the country, but we also have a side of the business where we contract with locksmiths all over the country to help our commercial and residential clients with their lock services. And so rather than working kind of by snail mail or email, we now have a dashboard where we can send you guys the jobs, you'll be notified, you can manage a job, and then of course close it out and get paid extra quick. So take a look at what we've got. I'm about to share my screen and do a little intro on the home page and pretty much how to log in, and then we'll make subsequent videos, how-to and training videos right after. So hang tight, let me go ahead and share my screen. Alrighty. So this is the agency dashboard website, and how you get to it is you visit account.thelocksmithagency.com, which is right here at the top. As you'll notice, you'll see a couple of buttons right here at the top: register and log in. To register, that's going to be for anybody that's a first timer, never signed in, never seen this, and you need to get started. So you'll want to click on register. If you've already registered, you'll simply click log in, and that'll take you to the login screen. And let's go ahead and just quickly recap. This is a free to use dashboard. We don't charge you at all to sign up and use it. You can also actually join 1-800-UNLOCKS, which is one of our national directories. It's also a lead generating website where customers can reach out to you. You'll be basically assigned a territory, and the customers can call the phone number, select from a menu prompt of the service they need and their zip code, and the call gets instantly transferred to you. And that is also totally free. So it's a great way to, not only join a network of like-minded professional locksmiths that charge fair prices, and it's a small, tight-knit community, but it's also a place for you to get jobs at no extra cost. So you'll be in good company and you're just making money, which is really what we're all about here, is helping you guys. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Again, registering you as a user. This is not your business. This will be you registering your username first as the owner or technician. And then you will be prompted right there after you log in to actually build the company profile. So I'm going to go ahead and create this, and I'm just going to use a email that I don't often use for anything else. I'm going to go ahead and type in our office number, and I'm going to use a very generic email, which is not secure, and I will be changing it once I complete this video. I don't recommend anybody use a password quite this easy, but I'm just using locksmith1! Okay? I will be deleting that, so no hacking. I'm not a robot. Let's verify that and submit. All right, so you'll get the confirmation message that, thank you for registering for the Locksmith Agency dashboard. Your account is now active. The next step is to log in and build your company profile. So let's go ahead and move this Zoom video thing out of the way. Click log in. All right, so you just use the username and password that you literally just created. We do have a little feature here that if you're already registered, simply enter the email address and our system will email you a unique secure login link. So you don't need a password. So if you're in the field and you just don't know the password, just visit the login page, type in your email, check your email, that'll get you right in. All right, let me log in and I'll show you what the dashboard quickly looks like. Across the top, we've got our various links: dashboard, shop, a partners page, service request, and a support and FAQ, which we will be building out, subsequently. And as you may notice, you'll see a create company profile up here, create locksmith. Those are the same things. We just want you to basically build your company profile so that we can really use our algorithm to better job match. We want to get you guys the jobs that you want to do, that you know how to do, quickly and during your opening hours so that you can actually do it. We don't want to waste anybody's time here sending you the wrong types of jobs. And so that's it in terms of how to actually register as a user and how to log in. On the next video, I'm going to show you how to create your company profile. So until next time, thank you very much.